Over now to the captains for the toss. That's what the crowd have come to see. Nicely played.
Yes.
Precision, just a great shot.
Gotcha!
Oh, nice shot.
Yeah, good!
Takes it. Great catch.
The right-handed batsman is coming in at number
3. Yes.
Short ball, hit away.
Yes, get that!
Good shot.
Yep, good!
Got that one away nicely.
Yep.
4 runs, the bowler will know that ball deserves. What a ball! The batsman bamboozled and ended up knocking it back onto his own stump. Beautifully bowled.
Finch has their first ball to face here.
Right on. Yeah.
That's 4. Cracking shot.
Yeah.
That's made it. 6 runs.
Catch it.
Nothing hard about that one. Easy catch.
Yep. Keeper.
Marvellous delivery. A great way to bring up 50 career wickets.
36. The right-hander is coming to bat at number 6.
The new batsman takes guard.
Accuracy is the key. You miss and he'll smash into the stumps. What a ball.
Catch it.
Reacted well there. Good catch.
To bat at number 8.
Yep. Catch it.
Send that over the fielder's head and over the rope for 6.
Yeah.
Oh, what a good shot.
Coming into the attack.
Yeah. Catch it.
That's out. Caught and bowled.
Yeah.
They'll get one there.
Yep.
Great delivery to find the edge. Did he get any bat on that? The challengers lose a key wicket there.
The right-handed batsman is coming in at number 10.
Yep.
Nice shot. 4 runs.
Yep. Catch.
Oh, nice shot. They'll be happy with that over.
The right arm pace bowler is coming into the attack from the north end.
Oh, not able to connect.
Yeah.
Chops it back onto his stumps. The batsman totally misjudged that.
Bit of a task for the new batsman here, trying to turn this innings around after a steady flow of wickets in recent overs.
bowler beating them all ends up.
Yep. Catch it.
Not a bad delivery, but the batsman sure treated it like one.
Yes.
Good shot.
Yep. That's it.
Oh, what a good shot.
Going to have a change in the commentary box. Our medium bowler is coming into the attack from the south. That's some good bowling. End of the over. The right armour is the new bowler from the north end.
Medium pacer.
Oh, good shot.
That's four. Cracking shot.
Catch.
A very cheap wicket here.
Batsman will be down at the non-strikers end.
Yeah. Catch.
Ah, what a good shot.
Huge shout. Probably the hardest part of taking that catch is being worried about dropping such an easy chance.
Yep.
Well, that one's a bit too full. Played nicely.
Yep. Catch it.
That's four. Superb shot.
Yep.
A well done half-ton.
Accuracy is key. You miss, and it'll smash into the stumps. What a ball.
Goes through to the wicket-keeper. No shot offered.
Didn't need to play at that one. Wide.
Yep. Catch.
Absolutely hammered that one. The change of pace totally ineffective.
Yeah.
Beautiful catch there. Good wicket.
Did that clip his bat on the way through?
Yep.
That's demoralising for the bowler. 4 runs and has to bowl it again. Free hit in this delivery.
Great delivery. Free hit into the final over of the innings. Going to bring out some more of the creative shots I'd expect.
No shot on offer for that one.
Well wide.
Two runs needed to win. Either team able to win it from here.
This has been a very one-sided affair. The result was never really in doubt.
In cricket.